Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy and the name of the channel is Mama and Her Home. I'm so glad you are back again to watch my video. I hope you do enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and to those of you who are here for the first time, we are growing. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I hope you enjoy your stay in this channel. And if you're still considering, please watch enough of my videos and subscribe and support the channel to grow. In today's video, I decided to rearrange the bedrooms because I wanted to show whoever is going to view the house how much space do they have, how much furniture can this room accommodate, especially the bedrooms. The main aim was to focus on the bedrooms, but it was so hard because I was doing everything myself. As you guys have seen, lifting up just the mattress was so hard because it was too heavy. I ended up cutting a lot of clips because it was going back and forth, going back and forth. This video I've tried to make it a bit shorter, but it was very long. It will be easy for them to see how much space do they have instead of compared to how I've put the bed before. It was working for us because I think it was ending somewhere here, and then even though the door was not closing all the way, I think the door was like closing until this point, but I cannot take it to our living room area because there's stock there's basket stock already. It's very cluttered in our living room area, so now this is the challenge. I don't know where to put this couch. I'm still trying to figure out a plan, or maybe I should put it back where it was in this point, in this spot, but I know that it won't be nice, especially for the curtains. But I just have to be practical right now. There's nothing much I can do, because if I put it here, maybe I can put it here, I don't know, but I'll be blocking this part of our wardrobe. It might come on Thursday to take pictures of the house, and then probably early next week the house will be back on the market again. So I have to do what I can while he's away. Yeah. Finally, I managed to move the bed, and you guys might have seen that I removed those picture frames on the wall, but the wall was damaged a bit. I don't know what happened. Maybe I pushed it too hard, but they were no longer looking nice now that the bed is on this side. I think I had to remove them. For now, I don't have space. Hopefully I will put them in our living room for now, if I still have time to do that, because as I've said, the house will be in the market next week. So I don't want to continue make changes, big changes that might affect someone else. So maybe I'll keep them the way they are, or I'll use them using a double-sided tape. I really don't know. And I decided to take out the cover for this bed and wash it, and then I wash it later this day. I'll just put the inner itself, and then once it's dry I'll put it back again, because I really like this color white, especially for the pictures. I just want him to come take pictures while I still have this bedding. For the viewing, I really don't mind. We will live our normal lives. I just wanted the house to be, clean for someone else to buy. Yeah, yes guys, I just hope you feel me, you understand me. Since I've started changing the bedding, I decided to change the pillowcases as well. Just to change. I normally do this on Mondays, but today's Tuesday. I don't know what happened on Monday. I really don't know what disturbed me because I even haven't done the laundry. I still have a lot of laundry to do, but it doesn't matter as long as it's done. I am happy. So please do tell me what you guys think of this position. I think it creates a bit of space, even though the couch did not fit, but other than that, I think it's more airy and it has so much space. It's just that I cannot put a lot in this room. It is such a small bedroom, as you guys can see. Some of the angles, it's not they are not well captured because it's such a small room, and when you are creating content, it's even more difficult to move around because it's just a very small room. But we'll sweep the floors and then afterwards mop the floors. When I'm done, I'm going to move to the girls' bedroom. This eucalyptus that you see, you guys, it's very old. I'm not going to change it until I buy another one. For now, I'm good. I don't have a problem.
Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Leaving my phone again. It's you, it's 3 a.m. I think you feel the same, you feel the same, babe. Something in my mind tell me that you are the perfect one. I can't get you out, I will never leave aside my love.
Now we are in the girls' bedroom. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to move the bed and mop under the bed and then move the furniture. The only thing that I didn't move is the wardrobe because it's very impossible for me to do it on my own, so I decided to just leave that part. But other than that, I did move everything. It was not much. It doesn't these rooms don't have much furniture. It was just chest of drawer and the bed. I'm so glad I can now reinsert these things. I've been always asking Tobiso to assist me in doing them, but now I'm able to do them by myself. So I'm going to continue wipe and then mop the floors and sweep under the bed with you guys.
Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Baby, something about you
almost done with the girls' room. I'm tired, to be honest. This was a lot of work because I've been moving things around. I just want to give you an update of what I've done so far because I'm currently changing the bedding. That hat, I put it up yesterday trying to see if those hooks will work on them. We've been finding these thing very useful in terms of hanging their things because they're always all over the place, and sometimes is it shrink the right word, but yeah, for them to be in a good condition. And I think I'm going to use these hooks. Remember that the girls what is this? Is this what's this? Base cover was blue. So this one, it was the one we had in our bedroom. I'm not going to iron it because I'm tired. So I decided to put it this side because I've seen that this room has a few brown colors. This bed, we bought it because we thought Undalo would share with her grandmother. We thought she would live with us, but this area was just, she couldn't adapt, so she ended up staying home. So Undalo has been sleeping alone before Uklelo came, obviously, because when we moved to this house, it was just Undalo as a child, so she used this bed alone. It was not the best quality. See, we bought two beds when we moved in this house, but you know, when you're starting out, you cannot always buy expensive or quality stuff. You have to start just by having something, you know. So that's what we did. But now this bed is due for changing. We use a lot of our old comforters and all that to make it a bit comfy. It's not too bad, but it's due for changing. Hopefully when we move, I do pray that when we move to the other area, wherever God wants us to be, we will get new beds, maybe three-quarter for both the girls. Yeah, yes guys, this gets so emotional for me because I so wish we could take this house to wherever we want to go, but the place is just not working for us. It's too hard. Now I understand why people take their time to buy houses, you know, to make such big commitments. So I wish we could have done that before we came to this house. I wish we rented for a few years while we're still looking for a perfect area for our family, but that didn't happen, and we have learned from our mistake. Hopefully we'll find a place that is suitable for us, but for now we are not going to buy. We are going to rent until we're comfortable financially to move and buy another house. Thank you guys so much. If you're still watching, I really do appreciate your support. I want to make as much memories as I can to this house because you know, maybe in this video I'll try to put in a small clip when we moved in or when we recently had moved, because we only had one couch that we bought that was pre-used, and two chairs, plastic chairs as a furniture. Yes, it was pretty bad for quite some time. Going back to the cleaning, I just wanted to give you guys an update on how far I was. So you might have noticed that the bed was by the window side. Now I've moved it to this side. I think it creates much space. I haven't done this in a while, but the bed once before was in this position, and then now I'm going to continue to change the bedding. I'm sorry I didn't do it with you guys because I was not even sure of what I was doing, but I'm really happy that, I don't know, maybe for you it might be too busy, but I'm okay with how things are looking like. This side, I'm thinking of removing these books and put them in the other box that I showed you guys. But maybe on top, they'll be layered horizontally, so that if they want to read them, they can just grab them instead of putting them inside the box, because I think that will be difficult. So I'm going to remove this box. I want to leave this thing plain, or with not really plain empty, but I'm going to just put their picture frame. There are two picture frame that you guys know if you're a regular here. So let's just mop the floors for now. I'm done, you guys. I just wanted to show you what I've done in this room. I think it's clean because it doesn't have a lot of pieces. I just took my plant, but it doesn't have a pot plant. Now I'm happy with what I've done. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire video. And this is that rack I showed you previously, but at least now there's a bit of white and a bit of brown colors that can blend together. Yes, guys, thank you so much. I'm so glad you made it this far. I'm really happy. Please don't forget to like my video if you haven't liked it already. Subscribe to my channel. Please help me grow the channel. Share my video if you think it's worth sharing. I'll see you guys on my next upload. Thank you guys so much for being with me on this day. I'm just going to rest and clean the kitchen. Bye.